I don't know how to test it actually. Day 17. So we're live streaming here particularly. Does that start another live stream? Okay. We have to... yeah, success. Okay, day 17 to $1 million. Okay, so that is a create broadcast. How would you add tech? We're gonna add it. And now the broadcast is starting. I do not know if the broadcast is particularly starting or not, but we're gonna see about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom it out a bit just so that we know what's up here. Okay, now we can say, I think I have to click on this. I might be wrong though. It has started and YouTube has to be working. Let's go everyone. Today we are building out the startup properly and we're going to see how it all works. So super excited. I hope you're as excited as me because we're building a big startup today. We're going to be launching more product and then we're going to be taking it from there. I'll be speaking in this stream a lot, but also not speaking because we're going to focus on everything. We're building out the startup properly and we're going to see how it all works. So super excited. I hope you're as excited as me because we're building a big startup today. We're going to be launching more. And now my internet is perfect, so everything is going to look significantly better. I hope settings are also HD for this, but I've started it now, so I do not know if it is or not. But let's kick it off, guys. I'm also going to start cold calling. I do not know when do I actually start it, but that process is also going to start, and I'm also going to film content here. Okay, so now I'm just going to jump into Codex because we continue on further building. But before we jump into this, okay, update. Every time I go there, you know how fast these guys are working, because every time I go there, there is obviously something which is happening here. Okay, I'm gonna also start it because we're gonna do Pomodoros, and I'm gonna go here. WhatsApp is always open. I also wanna always see what's happening because it's good for the, yeah. I'm gonna change some images, guys. So first of all, I'm changing the thumbnail because I'm not that happy with the thumbnail that I have. So make it catchy. The thumbnail. YouTube, streaming daily, streaming daily. Okay, so let's see what it does. We are also gonna go to Grok because we want a very catchy thumbnail so that we can drive more customers. Oh, Grok also connects to everything now. That's excellent. So we're gonna test out Grok also significantly. Let's see how Grok goes. But yeah, so just adding it, and we're gonna obviously film content with a lot of things today. So yeah, and this stream is gonna be 3 hours of high energy. After that, I'm gonna jump off and we're gonna do other things like let me just pop it out. So popping it out, this chat. Now my internet is excellent, so I can do whatever I want with it. I'm super happy about it. I think this was the missing piece. Okay, now I'm gonna share this also with my team, but I'm not gonna look at this because check if Twitter is good. Okay, so we're getting there. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with, oh no. Okay, I hate this. Rock image is not as good. Let's see. Producer, I don't want to see this. Okay, this is excellent. I'm liking this, but this is from yesterday if I understand properly. Okay, so we've got it here. This is already happening. I don't like it. Let's see what's the thumbnail this is giving me. Please make me look like a hustler coder. Hustler coder, please. Though I like the image, you know, that's always good. Okay, perfect. So this is gonna be done. And right now, let me go back into my Notion. Guys, I think you saw I've got a whiteboard up there. That's also excellent because we're gonna start we're just gonna start doing some things there. I'm gonna start writing all my goals there. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and I'm gonna just say, okay, run it locally for me. Okay. Run it locally for me. What steps are missing? Returning back. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Before I jump in, I'm also gonna go grab water again. If you want, oh bro, nah. Bro, you made me ugly and fucking dirty. Fucking dirty. Fix this shit. See, sometimes you gotta talk to AI like this because there's just no other way. Everybody's investing. We are also gonna get there. Don't worry. Speed down, 20 rounds up. Okay, when is A16Z speed done? Because speed run. Where is the deadline? What do you have to say? 16Z speed, May 17th. I've got 10 days to do everything. This is the thing I want to really get into. Just make it. One second. So we can already say that ChatGPT image is significantly different than this. So yeah, we're just gonna, okay. To make the face more intense, so better. Okay. Should I keep this image? I think this image, you know what I like? The background. Save, because I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna type this as the image, and we're gonna tell ChatGPT to just pick this thing up. Can you please change clothes to more casual in this, but also catchy, or video thumbnail for streaming. Don't change other things. Don't change other things. Okay, so I'm just gonna go tell it, and we're gonna change the thumbnail, guys. You know, it's we're gonna have some catchy thumbnails. How you guys liking the stream so far? Tell me in comments. Okay, so this, we're just gonna go here, we're gonna type this, and we're gonna, Canva is actually excellent for everything that I want to do. Okay, so we're just gonna go take this image, it's being uploaded, and once we have it, we're gonna do background remover. It's gonna remove the whole background. You know, as you look at it, this image is much better. I think this is excellent image. Okay, let's see what image this generates, otherwise we go with it. I love the intensity of it, if you look at it. I love the intensity of it. Maybe 17. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna put one layer down. Layer down. Send to backwards. Layer. Send backwards. Okay. So now this is how it is. I feel like this image has good background. And yeah, we just go with this. We will just go with this. Just go with this. I think I have to change. Oh, I like it. I think this is much better. You know why? Because I feel like it's gonna be more relatable. Can you make it? Change clothes to have Wolf of Wall Street style code. Just see what it does, but honestly I'm quite happy with this. Okay, I think we're gonna keep it. You need a bigger one. I feel like that's always good. And I feel like also this text, I'm gonna bring it back. And can I add a background to all these? One second. I just want this, then I'm gonna add more effects to it. I think the effect is if you can have a border properly. Background, yeah, I'd love for it to have a background here. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is really good. And this, I think I just need to change the color of it. I think that's much better. Okay. $2 million. Oh, this is better. I think yeah, we don't even see much. Oh yeah, because we don't even see much. We don't even need that vibe. I think this is good. I think I'm just gonna take this and we're just gonna see. Okay. Did you make the image such that it looks like I haven't slept for 40 hours and I've drank crazy amount of coffee and energy drinks. Let's see what it does. If we give it this image and if we go also back to Grok, we give this. Grok is not that good at images. We could already see this makes complete sense because that's why Elon Musk is selling all his compute to Claude because Claude is just better. I don't think Elon Musk is catching up, and Elon Musk realizes that he's not catching up with the team that he has. He thinks like he can do everything, but he also realizes that speed is so important. So that's what it's all about. I think this image is good. We're just gonna change it back here. So yeah, even though this is about vibe coding, it's also about, I guess, vibe editing and vibe running. I think that's it. I think we're gonna get it really catchy here. Change, and we're gonna get this image in here, so it's looking like vibe coding too. So, an app. It's not even an app, bruv. Is it an app? It's not even an app. Like vibe selling. Today we finalize it. Oh. Dude, that was intense. Actually, not gonna lie. So sorry. Now I want to see what it creates. So if I ask Claude has made it. Is it 24 hours, bro? Why is it so red? Claude has made me look like another person. Grok, I mean. So let's see what they come up with. Though I have to give it, these guys are really good at this. We love it. We love this style. And this is also good. So let's see. I think just to have more personality there is really important. Can you hear background music? And can you hear me properly? Let's see how it does. I'm gonna go grab water in 2 minutes, 1 minute, maybe even grab coffee because I think I'm also gonna grab coffee because after that 2 hours we wanna just smash really hard and go harder and sort everything out. So that's the thing. So I'm just gonna go there and grab some coffee, and then we're jumping back into Codex. We're running everything. So my goal is to fix one website, fix one. Oh, I have to do these 4 things. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me grab it, and then we're going from top to bottom, fixing all the issues and sorting it out. I think we are lagging a bit behind. Today's Thursday already. So I have to sort that out. So yeah, let me get back in there, grab some water, coffee, and then we are gonna go 4 hours. We're gonna smash it properly. So it's gonna be fun. And I ain't coming back.
comes too early, hands already warm, working for a better day, trying to keep me warm. Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine. Oh Lord, hear me now. Working, better day, keep me warm. People talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay. So sing a song for mercy, sing it clear and kind. We all walk this same good earth, just trying to ease our mind.
You know what? One thing that ChatGPT does really good is it makes you look prettier. When you make the video, the images, everybody wants to look prettier than how they are, or they want to look good. So it's a good thing that they do this. That's how you go viral as a product. That's intense. Guys, yeah, dude. Bro, this is proper intense, not gonna lie. I think I like it. I think let's see. Let's see what happens. No sleep. I think I'll have to mention with it no sleep. No, bro, this looks like I was somebody was chasing me, so that's not something I could do. Okay, guys, so we're also gonna go back. Yeah, to make my coffee. I'm a very simple coffee drinker, I'm being honest. I just need coffee. I just need coffee. Wow, it's almost finished. So maybe this is the last coffee of the day till I buy it. Wow. I realize I don't need that much to be happy in life. I just need. So this is my coffee, guys. In case this is my coffee. Oh man, this is like. Okay, I have to do something really fast. Just check. Okay, so let me fix our website really fast. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here.
Let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven.
Broken link. Okay, let me just try one thing. If I go here,
If this ain't heaven,
why is this not working?
it'll do for today.
Okay, music is too loud. Is it better now? Yes. Okay, so I have to fix this website really fast. I've asked it to run everything here. Okay, till then, let me just go here. Let me put this back here. Why is this not working? Redeploy trigger. I'm gonna redeploy this project, which is really strange why it doesn't deploy. Okay, I have to figure out why is this not working. Because this link should actually work, but it's not working. Just so that you know, there's also a free website that we're deploying right now. So it's nothing beyond that. But I want it to work on Netlify. If Netlify is gonna cause a lot of problems, we're just not gonna. We're just gonna be careful if we ever use Netlify ever for this. Why is page not found? Can I change the? So if I'm going here and I'm changing project name, imagine telling AI want name. Okay. So if I go here, let's go. How to fix this? So we're gonna go back to ChatGPT. We're gonna say how to fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna ask Codex because it knows a bit more about everything that I do. Okay, let me put some powdered milk in there. That's how I like drinking my coffee. Not with real milk. I just don't want to make it too sour. That's it. But that's it, just to decrease the level of how sour it is. You know, I used to drink from a $3,000 coffee machine, Italian coffee machine, and that's how my coffee used to be. But now I don't. Because that is not available everywhere, and this thing is available everywhere. In any country that I am. I'm no longer a connoisseur, coffee connoisseur, as I'd expect. Okay, so I'm just checking what is the problem. So, you know, Codex is really good. I'm gonna open a project right now. I'm gonna open the same project, use an existing folder, and then we're gonna figure out what is the problem here. Okay, when I go here, okay, so now I'm gonna tell it that I'm getting this. I get this when I try to add this to Netlify. Bye. Bye. Okay, so let's see. And obviously I'm going to give it more settings of Netlify. Settings. Settings. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to see site settings, build and deploy. So just go to site settings. Choose. So we're going to go back to codecs as you can see. So npm run build. So build command, site settings, build and deploy. So site settings, I think deploy, site settings to be found anywhere. No, build and deploy. Deploy settings, I think this is it. Build and deploy exactly. Okay, first Pomodoro is done, but I took a break there. So actually, I'm going to start putting Pomodoro assets also here because then we can track how many Pomodoros am I doing per day, and that's going to be really powerful to build out all of this. Yeah. Okay, build and deploy. So build command is okay, not set configure. So build command is, yeah, I think the build command, that was the problem. So we're just going to tell it to do npm run build. Codex told me about it. It's obviously a JavaScript Next.js project, that's why. So I'm just going to save it. Publish directory.next. Plugins of results. Create redirect. Okay. I do not want to deploy settings. Do I redeploy it? Let's see. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. So let's try to trigger deploy project without cache. Okay. I do not know what's the difference actually between. No, I know I know, but I think we're going to do it without cache. So no information is saved. No existing information from old config is taken. So that's what we do. Okay, so I'm right now also trying to automate how we make YouTube content. Okay, I like it. Just add 10% more intensity. Let's go. Okay, so we are here in deploy settings. Okay, so I'm here. Right now when I deploy open production details, let's see, as the deployment has worked, we are going to now go to the netlify.com. Super strange. We're gonna go back to the build settings. Base directory, I think. We have to change base directory. Storage. I deployed.
Got a black king glitter. Came this very morning. Yeah, black king glitter.
I think I can't drink more coffee, even though I have this coffee. I feel like I'm getting anxiety.
Said my baby gone away. And my good luck so gone.
Yeah, but that's not a problem. Okay, so now did it push already to production? I have to see if this pushed it to production. Yeah. So if I go here, we're gonna see, okay, this already updated right now, so push it to production, so that's not bad. Publish mobile, I have to publish a new mobile. I like this image, not gonna lie. We have to say GPT is really good. GPT, what was it? GPT generation of ChatGPT. Introducing 21st of April. ChatGPT just wonderful. Create. Yeah, the create elements. We are also going to write the prompt here. Representatives. Post. We're just going to post it. Okay, so now we're going to go back to deploy settings. As you know, this has been pushed to production. So we're going to go back to Netlify and we're going to see what the issue is. It's actually here.
If I can't find peace and living, let that river set me free.
It should automatically deploy itself. Failed due to plugin. It's a failed due to plugin. So this is the problem. Let's see what it does. Codex will figure this out itself. See, that's it. That's what coding is now. And I've been a developer for how many years? 15 years. And this is what coding is. I needed to debug every small element there. But now we don't have to. Now this is the best time to be brilliant wherever you want, because it just happens so much faster. So much stress is gone. Okay. Okay, this will remove it. Okay, so did it do something? Oh, it's already pushed it. Okay. Right, when we deploy, we are not gonna deploy project without caching. Okay, now let's see how it works. And meanwhile, I'm gonna grab more water because I've drank way too much coffee. It's my third coffee of the day. And I could feel like this hand trembling a bit, so that's the reason.
saying I'm done with you. I'm gonna make you good. Lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Love and cry. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. All right, baby. That's heartache.
Once this is deployed, then we know if this is working. Can we already work because we're waiting? Okay, there's another issue. So while we wait for this, I need to fix. Okay, the build was good actually. Okay, this is excellent. It worked now. So okay, so this works. Okay, so this website is made. This is voice AI website. As you can see, it looks really good properly, and I did nothing to fix the error that was there. So that's always good. Okay, so now and everything is done by Codex, which is excellent. Okay, so now I'm there. Now I have to figure out DNS settings because I want it on my own domain. So I'm just gonna go deploy in DNS deploy settings. So it's Netlify, and we are hosting this website for completely free. So now I'm gonna go to domain management. Yep. So now I'm gonna go in add a domain. Oh, can I just remove minus neo? I'm just gonna try this. And you know, guys, from tomorrow I'm also gonna start streaming on Twitch and everything because my internet is so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at this internet. Look at this internet speed, guys. Oof. Wow. Excellent. And if you want to look at the upload is also this. This is job moving for upload. The upload is not checking. Bruh, look at this. What else can I ask for in life? I'm grateful to God. Best internet, best everything. So much more fun. Okay, Teller AI Netlify, I've changed it. So we're just gonna go here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go, we're gonna go back to domain settings. In domain. Deploy domain management. Add a domain to view. Hello AI.app. We're just gonna get there. Okay, I think it's gonna take some time to do it. This was provision. This website is gonna be back.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in into the coupe, and we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gonna slack. I had to study the map. I had to find where I'm at.
I just want to see if this website is going to work.
Symbols, I ain't gonna
I
crack.
think it needs some time.
Catch me in the cut, hun. Some like the duck running. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. It got
Okay, so I'm just sending this, but I'm just gonna say, okay,
on the beat. I done seen the play cross feet.
domain settings, all of this is
Give me 6 feet.
edit project.
Hit a peak, but slow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is everything but a beast like a chain. I'm a lean with you later for sure.
But I didn't add any of these DNS settings, so they were already properly added. Okay, let's hope that this is done. I think it's done, but we're gonna check because we have to wait a few more hours to see how. See, okay, I like this. This image is good. We're just gonna take this, and we could just save images, save like it. Let's see how my thumbnail looks compared to just with this face. Can you bring background add computers as if this person has been white coding or not. Let's see. Let's see what GPT comes for. We're just doing it for fun, if I'm being honest. What are 14K dial-up days? I don't even know. So this is it. This is happening. So this all worked properly. So that was amazing. We were able to deploy this whole landing page, and then it's going to be really good. 1 sec. Okay, my mom was asking if I could just come over and do other stuff. I told her I just started my stream. It was a bit later. Maybe in... Okay, so now my second thing is I have to push my second task, which I'm going to do. I'm also going to see how I can share that fast with you. Push mobile app. So we also have a mobile app, and after that I have to do the Baydar one, which is going to be a lot of fun. Oh, this is, I love it. I think that's an excellent one. Man, these guys are so good. GPT Image 2.0 is so good. I'm writing thanks to AI. Man, what can AI actually not do? Wow, that's so cool. So what I'm learning is you need to, if you wanted internet, you cannot use your phone because the phone cable is the same one as this other one, as the internet one. So internet and them, they were connected. So now I'm changing my Okay, I think I have to go to Canva. I think I really like how they created all of it. I think that hits harder. Just gonna open Codex on the side because I have to tell it. Can you pull again the latest changes and tell me how to redeploy and publish this app? I wanna rebuild it again and publish it to iOS store. Previous build worked excellent. So previous build worked excellent. So now we're gonna go and do this. Okay, I'm just gonna go there. I already like this, but we're gonna duplicate it because it's sure. I think there's so much more personal. I'm not gonna lie, this is so much better than now. Oof. I think this is great. This is like I think I should just tell AI to run my whole business. Okay. Yeah, this is been I think they should be grouped together. Why is it what is it? Let me check what Napster is. Is it one of those Facebook guys? What? AI expert. You can talk and see. Okay, that's I don't think it's a file sharing platform. Is it music? I think I've seen this Napster founder from the social. Yeah, this one, Sean Parker. Yeah, Sean Parker. So that was the music one. I know I remember this from the movie Social Network. The face. I think it's called Social Network. The movie which was about that. Okay, we're loving it this so far. So we're just gonna. So it's okay.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain.
I think this is so much better. Oh, this I just want to download one page. That's good. Facebook. Oh, Facebook was built from that. That's super cool. So it's the same guy who's building both of them. Did he end up in prison? Because I heard there was a problem with Napster. That's why this guy was a bit scandalous. I think it was portrayed in a wrong way. They always want to portray it in more like a Hollywood way. I guess I'm just gonna change this. I think this is so much better. I have to be honest. GPT image 2.0 is so much better. This is not possible before. Not gonna lie, we're gonna post this on Twitter, and I'm gonna tag. Look at this. This is it, bro. I hate this Deutsche Welle, guys. Yeah, I hate Deutsche Welle. This is not possible. This was not possible. Show this. I'm showing this. GPT. Just. We have to tag Sam Altman, because if I'm gonna tag him, maybe he's gonna reply back. You never know. You have to, you know. I think this should also be this there. It should also be this. Let's see if we change it here. Does that make sense? Okay, I think it's already good. We're just gonna go with this. I'm gonna see what do I have to do. So now they've done open transporter, so it has already made the build. Wow. So it automatically built everything, so I don't have to do anything here. So this is done. Now I can just deploy this application and publish it. This is crazy. Guys, this is crazy. I just lost for words how fast it does it. Okay. Yes, it's good. I think honestly, I'm gonna start making short videos, and I'm gonna also start cold calling here in these streams. So right now you don't see me cold calling, but we're gonna start from either tonight or tomorrow. So we're gonna make them more entertaining. So after every session of coding session, also when I'm waiting for AI, I'm gonna press a button, and then it's gonna start cold calling, and I feel like that's gonna be really fun. It's gonna make these and those videos I can put on Instagram Reels and try to go viral. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, you could be. Your channel can work like really proper, and let's do it together. I'd, if you, when your channel is here or when you start properly, then we can also start tagging your channel. Whatever helps, because we're all in it together. And you just gotta just do it. Just because okay, so now when we are gonna go here, okay, sometimes guys I have to reply back to my team that you could say okay, I think these images we already got it perfect, so now I'm gonna try to close all of them. Okay, so now we are here, just gonna go there. OBS, this thing is also good. Yeah, so now I'm gonna deploy this. I'm gonna deploy my mobile app. So that's the next task. So I built a mobile app here, as you can see, and right now Codex automatically build it. So now I'm gonna go to App Store Connect. So open Transporter. So I've got Transporter. Guys, I'd never made apps, but now I can just do it. Yeah. So I asked Claude, actually, if I'm being honest, I asked Claude, how can I grow my stream? And that's what Claude told me. This is how I can, I think I should just make stream projects. So even growing how to grow my startup, it's telling me how should I applied to YC already, but my app is still not live. It's still not live, and I did not, which makes me sad. Web app. And I'm just gonna make this project here, which is gonna be about. It's awesome. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna start it. So Vibeselling is there, as you can see. Vibeselling is there, and I'm gonna say streaming. Okay, so I'm just gonna create streaming because I want to see how streaming goes. Streaming. And I'm gonna give it a bit of context. I'm daily live coding and streaming 4 to 5 hours. Can you tell me tips on how to grow? My competitors, I'm inspired by the Bridge Mind guy. He's great. I have done 17 daily streams already for past 17 days. Give me more tips. You can also search for my channel online. I'm just gonna give Claude my channel and Claude is gonna figure out. So I'm not using any of my judgment. One thing I realized, I feel like AI knows much more than I know. And that happens so fast. So for example, if I go here, I could just say, go check it out. They can just go check it out in streams. Does it come in streams? Okay, live. Really, come to the streams, okay? So I'm just gonna post it and it's gonna tell me. And then this is gonna be streaming content. And then every day I'm gonna come here and my goal is I could just check it. So I'm gonna start this and we are coming back here. So it's coming up and doing everything for me, which is exciting. And then this is the judgment I'm gonna take. And I can see that you've got your own, you should also just ask Claude. If I'm being honest, they know so much better and I'm just using these. Clips from each stream, a regular bug useful, the cool results in my process. Okay, that's actually good. Crossbow, niche down your identity, covers a lot of vibe coding, AI videos. Oh, that's fine for now. Why it doesn't cover Vovo? So my content is only about vibe coding and AI videos. It's no longer about anything Vovo. They're both dead. Okay. I only focus on vibe coding and AI videos. Also, I have school communities, three of them, proof on free, which is Vibe Club, and 400 members are there. Two paid ones with 90 and 30 each. Each community is doing Each community is free. Community is about vibe coding, and like it is both paid, ABC, AI video paid, white club, pro, white coding. Pro. I'm just, I just pushing these out. It's the goal here. So I want, I want to earn revenue through them too. Revenue through them too. See, I'm telling. There's a danger over it. I don't think so. I feel because when I'm testing out not just with Claude, I'm also testing with Codex, which is GPT, and I'm also using open code. So open code has all the open source models. You have Quen, which is the model. Quen is from Alibaba, and I've got also Kimi too. So I'm testing everything out with multiple things, multiple models. And at the end of the day, I'm using my own judgment too. At the end of the day, this is just helping me figure things out, which I might have forgotten actually, these AI models. So that's the thing. Otherwise, I feel like it's like a co-founder, it's like a sparring partner. That's what I think. And I don't trust it completely. So that's the thing. Okay, so let's see. 400 community, make this split your content, YouTube stream free, paid, full WordPress website, community wins, member spotlight free, drive upgrades. Okay. 30. Wait, this is small type group. More paid members. And it's also because I'm not good with marketing. I'll be honest. Like I'm a sales marketing person. That's for sure. But I'm not good with. I don't understand these top of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, all of these funnel tricks. I just do not understand. So my goal is that Claude helps me understand, because the best marketers who have studied, they know all of these things, and this is just mostly helping me. I've been a developer 10 to 15 years, being CTO of companies doing sales, so that's why I do not know exactly how all of these marketing things work, and I want to be the best marketer here. That's the goal here. Okay. Okay, let me just see, how can I'm just day 17 of streaming where daily has changed the vibe coding community. So okay, yeah, I can also create a Twitter post for me regarding day 17. So it's gonna create a post for me. I'm gonna post it there, and we're gonna use all of that. I feel like what stops me from prospering is most probably my own thoughts compared to AI. So yeah, I'm just gonna go grab water fast, and I'm gonna be back in 1 minute. Back in 3 minutes. Grabbing water. Oh, look at this, story driven. I love this. Now it's a single string. I love it. So we're gonna go through all of these, and we also have to go and check out what Codex is telling us in order to deploy their app. We are back with a bang. Let's go. I hope it was not too loud. As you guys see, I've got these things make sure because my hands are a bit injured. Okay, so we're just gonna first copy this. Yeah, we know. I think this is. This is excellent, and you know, I'm also gonna have to take this. And can I just post vibe coding AI videos? Okay, that's it. 70. Can I edit this 1 second? So 400 dollars update. Okay, so we've got 400 members here in our community. Let's see if we want to grow these community and make them definitely bigger. This is the free one. Oh, 4 members. 4 posts supported by members. Okay, 408 members. Build a profitable. Yeah, we're just gonna delete this. Some of these posts are not there. Maybe we can just keep one. But no, I think it's bad for our brand actually. And we need to really change this, if I'm being honest. I think the whole vibe of the community has to change. We need to focus more like on. This is, I think we need to really focus on 24/7. Oof, 5/7. I think we're doing. Just Okay, we okay, so we're checking this. I guess we're gonna just check this out. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. Okay, and meanwhile, drag in the code. So we've got this open transponder, which I'm seeing. This goes here, this goes. Ah, yeah, 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 that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna just install and restore. Okay, so now this is running. I just need to open transporter. Okay, so now I've got this full latest production and when it is ready. But it inside, I have to start the previous local branches needed before pulling because of the changes. Open transporter. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and we're gonna deploy this. Okay, guys, so we're gonna. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna put it because we're also making a mobile app, as you guys can see. So this is right now being extracted and we're putting it there. So check the click deliver. Drag into the IPA, okay? Wait until upload finishes. So I'm going to click on deliver, then I have to wait until this finishes. Okay, so it's uploading. So that's the third task that we had. Okay, this is it. And then wait until the upload finishes. I'm also deploying this app, as you can see, sending multiple. Okay, this is it. This way. So, okay, now we can click it there. Yes, I'm deploying the iOS. I'm deploying iOS app. iOS app. This is something that I built for someone, for a friend of mine. So yeah, and I've never done mobile apps before. So that's the thing. I'm actually building also another mobile app from scratch. This is usually for friends or places where I have equity. So this is one thing I do. I build my own startups, but also if I can get equity in other businesses, I take it if they're interesting for me. So right now I'm doing it, and this is the first iOS app that I've ever built. I don't even know how to actually publish to the App Store. I ask everything to Codex, and Codex did everything. So I'm following. It told me right now because drag this and click on deliver, and after that I'm waiting, and after that I'm going to do the next thing, and then it's going to work. Okay, so this is done. I have to wait for this. Now I have to publish mobile app with build again. That is it. Set it up locally. I need to see what I have to do to run my application locally. Your backup links, use these links at run dev. Okay, it's super nice. Is it working right now? Okay, which link is this? Okay, let me see how my application is looking locally. Okay, and we're just gonna check it out. And let's see if the email is working also locally. I highly doubt that, but let's see. Sure. Yeah, for sure, man. Put anything that you want. Promote yourself, promote your startup, promote your YouTube channel, whatever helps you. My goal with this community is that all of us actually help each other out. And we join together, co-found things together. I think that's going to be the most fun. It should benefit each and every person here. Yeah. In case you're not listening. Okay, so I need to publish that mobile app. And is it being published? It's uploading. Setting analysis. Why does it take this long? I was not expecting it to take this long. Okay, now we have to wait. Okay, I'm gonna pay a huge fine right now. You know, when you're running startups, you have taxes, you have to do everything together. And I got a fine which I have to fill now. Let's see if the email has been properly set up and if it's working. Oh, it's working. Amazing. Amazing. What was the milestone? It was not secret. Yes, when I click on this link, when I click on the link, I get this. After trying to reset the password. Link is tracing, but the callback is treating the codes for your links. I think it back. Is landing on this without a code. This happening because it's a very recovery links often put this session. Okay. Okay, so it's trying to fix it.
and I ain't coming back. Morning comes too early, hands already warm. Working for a better day, trying to keep me warm. Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine.
Yeah. Everything is back.
Oh Lord, hear me now. Working better day.
Now the light is also back to being better.
People talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay. So sing a song for mercy, sing it clear and kind. We all walk this same good earth, just trying to ease our mind. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine.
Yeah. So yeah, this is right now localhost. So it says that this one is working. Does it work? Okay. After
Let the porch light burn uneven. Let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven. Keep the night from drifting away.
push mobile app again in build. Let's see if the build is working. Still uploading.
It'll do for today.
It's stuck. Oh wow.
The fire burned out. The warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling. The warmth has gone away. You turn so
Wait,
cold, and you'll miss my
just check this.
someday.
Okay, so this is working. We're just checking it out and we're waiting for how long this takes to actually upload all of it. Guys, 5 minutes. I need to give me 5 minutes because I need to solve an issue that I'm facing right now. Where I have to stop some enforcement that I have to pay.
I'll keep on moving forward,
Transfer.
but I'll cry myself to sleep. The fire burned out. It's gonna go for good. The fire burned out. Oh, it's gone for good.
Okay, I need to change a bit. Apologies for this. We're just gonna sort it out.
fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun. Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, in a whole wide world. Gonna ask him why, but you know why I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you. I'm gonna make you girl, lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Love and cry. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. All right, baby. That's how it is. Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so excited. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, our promises worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like a duck running. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. It got legs like cake, honey. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross the feet. God drive like 6 V's. Flow sick, give me 6 feet. Mountain climbing out to hit a peak, but snow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is
So
at the
now
beach, like the beach, like a chain. I'm a lean with your lady for sure.
we did this process and still stuck.
Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, our promises worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Ay. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, our promises worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other
Dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold. Trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause. But the silence louder now than a million God.
I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel. Seen queens trade crowns for a six-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an ache. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when
They
no
want
other
captions,
skies.
not scriptures. They want clout, not pictures. They want pain. And if filters, so I bleed through the pics like scriptures. You can't cancel what's already broken. You can't mute what's been outspoken. I spit truth with a chip on my shoulder, got trauma in my tongue, and the world getting colder. Used to pray for a check, now I check on my spirit, cause the money don't echo when your soul ain't near. I see fake friends turn saints in the crisis, but they ghost real quick when the fame hit its eyes. Still I ride for my day ones, still I ride when the pain comes. I don't flex, I reflect, I don't fear, I dissect, yeah. Every verse got a little confession, like every scar, just a deeper question. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when nowhere disguise.
I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. World is gonna see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action, and you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, locked in. Guess I'm locked in, I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in, I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I
Joining
searched
back
for
in
a
1 minute.
better word,
Just gonna
couldn't
grab more
find a
water.
word. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, locked in. Guess I'm locked in, I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in, I got this, and that's on my soul.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. Hole in one. Where I'm at, you need some drive, get a license. Or you get caught up downtown, way too enticing. Dark days, brighter lights in the night. Ay. Keep it cool, play it right, skip the bison. Kick it up, getting into the end zone. Kick it up, getting into the end zone. Kick it up, getting into the end zone. Kick it
Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad.
Oh, 6 hours of operating time. That's amazing. So I don't need to charge them. I was thinking I need to charge them. Okay, so Xcode, this is it.
Foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make
I forgot to grab my water. Back in 1 minute.
playing every game except the lottery. Serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a show me state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. They cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. Well, I said goodbye. Oh, rolling thunder, calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Oh, midnight highway, shining just like sun.
Right.
Why don't you hear me wonder? Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder? Mm, oh. Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join. Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my head. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my head. You can tell my woman I'm gone, and I ain't coming back.
Morning comes too early, hands already warm. Working for a better day, trying to keep me warm. Boss man count his tally, we just count our turn. Fair don't come easy, I had to stand and fight for mine. Oh Lord, hear me now. Working, better day, keep me warm. People talk about difference, but I just see the same.
heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay. So sing a song for mercy, sing it clear and kind. We all walk this same good earth, just trying to ease our mind.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for Let the porch light burn uneven, let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today. The fire burned out, the warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling, the warmth has gone away. You turned so cold on me, baby, and you'll miss my love someday. The fire burned out, it's fading slow and deep. The fire burned out, darling, it's fading slow and deep. I'll keep on moving forward.
can do is bless your name. Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keeps rolling on. Woo! Yeah. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Woo! Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust road to join. Woo! 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 Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. You can tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't coming back. Woo! 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 Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia Town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you own. Got a black king glitter, came this very morn. Yeah, black ink glitter came this very morn. Said my baby gone away, and my good luck so gone. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Ooh, every word she wrote me, come my poor heart did. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Ain't no sound of laughing, just a ghost at my door. it's paid from me. If I can't find peace in living, let that river set me free. The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun, said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, in a whole wide world. Gonna ask him why, but you know why I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you. I'm gonna make you girl, leave me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Love and cry. Love and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. Alright, baby. That's how it is.
sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Some like the duck running. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debate on it. It got legs like cake hunted. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross the feet. God drive like 6 feet. Flow sick, give me 6 feet. Mountain climbing out to hit a peak, but snow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is everything but the beach, like a chain. I'm a link with your lady for sure. Gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Ay. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even with no other dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million God. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel, seen queens trade crowns for a six-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard, living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an ache. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing.
Okay,
Mirror, mirror, don't
I
you
think one more thing that I have to do. This was now cooked. Is
tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when they want captions, not scriptures. They want clout, not pictures. They want pain and a filter, so I bleed through the pics like scriptures. You can't cancel what's already broken. You can't mute.
yes.
I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when nowhere disguise.
It says process. Um, okay. Now I'm gonna open Xcode because Codex is telling me to do this. Is
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club.
okay, now we're distributing it again. Let's see how it is doing it.
Need some drive, get a license.
You know what I love about this? I'm not gonna lie, startups are generally very hard, but right now the fact that I could just do all of this because I'm following codex just makes life so much easier. It's so much fun, so much easier. I'm super excited about this. Oh, we've been streaming 3 hours right now. It's crazy. My goal was always to stream 3 hours, 4 hours, then go take a break, and then come back and stream another 3, 4 hours. So my goal is in a day to stream maybe 3 times or 2 times, but always do it in 3 to 4 hour sections. Okay, as this is working, let's see. Okay, now I have to run also vibe selling locally because that's not just not working. I'm not happy about this. Okay. And let me see if Tello AI learning pages finally worked. Oh, thank goodness. This is done. Add the following in this proposal. Production also need these included. I think production. Please make. Yeah, at least that's the goal. I think it's also more fun working and streaming. I actually need a third screen, which is not shown at all because I'm gonna have some. Yeah, for cold calling, I also have to see where. So, what time is it in? What time in USA? Okay. Oh, what time in New York? So New York is it? What time in San Francisco? Because Cold call. I need to make sure that I'm sorting that out properly. 7:57 a.m. And okay, that's really good.
Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver
Okay, let's see if this is distributed right now. Oh,
al fuego en nuestra mano.
maybe that was the problem all along.
Fuego habló en lenguas, el tambor fue el sol. Bailamos en aliento, con silencio en el pulmón y el tiempo se borró. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. Creamos el sueño, hicimos el plan.
Yeah, use normal version of YouTube. Normal version. Thanks, Pascal. Glad to see you. Husky, looking forward to seeing you often here. I'm vibe coding all of this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so now we know what the problem here was. Build is running, and then we can re-upload this app to App Store. So that's easy. I want to check my. I just want to check locally if what is my .env.local. Yes, me too. Not gonna lie, I'm also kind of excited about this. Okay, super bass, super bass. Okay. Pasky, I'm gonna cold call on this actually. So let's see. It's gonna be a lot of fun cold calling today. Today we are starting Pasky cold calling US numbers, and that's gonna be part of the stream. And from there, I'm also gonna make reels. It's the same concept which I discussed with you, where it's like just bringing the personality, and I feel like cold calls can go just viral automatically. So that's the exciting part. Hi, Rahman. Glad you could join in. Yeah, the stream is going 3 hours, so it's gonna be fun. So right now we are fixing pace. Husky, we have to take over YouTube this year. You know that. Okay, so now I'm distributing this app. This app is correctly working. I've got this running. That's why, Pasky, I can't come to WeWork anymore. That's why I was telling you. I need a proper office where I've got my 2, 3 cameras here and lights and everything, you know. I'm also going to get a third camera. So it's going to be 3 cameras all along here, another screen. So it's going to be really proper. Okay, now we got a new bill. So I'm just going to use this. Okay. Yes. Actually, do I have to tell people if I'm going to be cold caller, if they're live on stream? Their names are never going to appear. Their number is never going to appear. No private information about them is ever going to appear. So that's why. I think it's allowed. I've seen other YouTubers do it. Actually, is there a cold calling streamer? That'd be so cool. So cool. Cold calling streamer. I'd like to follow them. Streamer. I want a streamer. Oh, no, bro. Show us cold. Don't tell us that you did 10,000 cold calls or 100,000. Do them in front of us. We want to see that. We like seeing action. Is nobody actually live cold calling live? We want to see if somebody's doing it. Be fun if I'm the only one doing it. Oh, this guy's good. I like it. 4 to 2 minutes. 4 to 7 live calls, tech sales. Okay, this is also cool. Hello, I'm in the. Okay, this is good. This is going to be a lot of fun if you can see it. Wow, these things get a lot of views. 1 second. 1 second. Let me answer my mom.
Sometimes all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew, I knew, I knew you'd never be mine. Never. It's just me in my
Okay, guys, my family was mad that I'm spending all time here just streaming and not available. It's part of it. So I just had to go. So I'm gonna end the stream in the next 5 minutes. After that, I'm gonna spend 1.5 hours with the family, and then later at night I'm gonna start another stream, and we're also gonna cold call. But it's so much fun. Streaming is so much fun. Okay, but there are people who are cold calling. That's actually crazy. Oh, look at this. First time cold calling in this. Damn, this is good. All of the best performing videos of this guy are also cold calling. I think it's really good. Damn, this is good. Okay, I'm super excited about this. That's it. That's how it has to be. Fusky, yeah. I have to do it. You know, we have to make this YouTube work eventually. I think cold calling is going to be a lot of fun. Let me push this. Okay, I'm setting a timer for 5 minutes and then I'm jumping off because otherwise I'd not stop. Okay, 5 minutes. Further. Okay, so if I push it, okay, this is it. Upload new IPA. This is amazing. Do not upload this one again. This is the latest one. File history, large review. Okay, open. How can I open this? Oh, does it open on Finder? Okay, open in editor, open in browser. No. Okay. So we're just gonna get this and we're just gonna upload this up here and then it's gonna start working. So this is what I'm told. So we've got this new IPAs here. Give me upload, which is build IPA. So I'm gonna go on files. Build IPA. Can you open the folder for me where IPA is? I wanted to already open the folder because I don't know on Mac which folder it is in. Let's see if it can do it. If Codex can actually start opening folders. Oh, wow. Yes. Wow. This is so good, guys. I don't want, oh, this is so good. I can just upload this now. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best time to be alive. Computer, I don't want to use the computer myself. I want to talk and the computer should sort everything out. Okay, so if I go App Store, connect a new version. So I'm here, create a new version, this distribution. Okay, so I'm here. I've got this app. Oh, I need to create a new version. Okay, I need to create a new version, which is gonna be this. And guys, I've never actually ever created iOS apps. This is the first time. Upload this new IPA via transporter. What? Or Xcode organizer. Okay, I'll do it at transporter. Transporter was previously not working for me. I downloaded this transporter. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this IPA, which was amazing. So this is doing something. And if I click on deliver, will it work? So verifying, uploading this. I haven't tried anti-gravity. But why should I use anti-gravity for? Do they have better credits? Do they give us more credits? What's the benefit? What's the benefit of this all? Okay, so I've got this uploading. I don't like it that it's because it also previously took a long time to actually upload it. Can I do it from Xcode? Okay, how do I upload on Xcode? So if I go on Xcode and I go here to Windows and I go to Organizer, this version is not the correct version. How can I do it via Xcode? Distribute and publish it. So when you in Xcode click Organizer, I'm there. Go to this. Okay, archive. Why do I have to go to archive? Can you open archive for me? Can you open this archive for me so that I can just do it easily? Oh, that's amazing. I think for front end, I want to use something like OpenCode. You guys know about OpenCode? Yes, don't ask me. Yes, amazing. It executed it. So now when I click on it, select runner, distribute app. Let me see, before I distribute it, I have to go here. This is uploading, which I do not understand. So I'm just gonna, oh, 5 minutes have passed. Better understanding context. Okay, distribute. I think it's much better. Okay, we extend it by another 5 minutes. So it's gonna prepare and it's gonna distribute it there. That's excellent. Okay, anti-gravity understands context better. I'll check it out. Where can I use anti-gravity inside open code? Let me see. If I'm here, can I use this model somewhere? Anti-gravity. Anti-gravity. Nah, it's not. If I do it, anti-gravity. Google. Oh, what is Google here? Let's see. And to connect your account and use. Oh, so we can use Google models anti-gravity already in OpenCode. So I use OpenCode a lot to with Quen, with Kimi, these Chinese open source models because they're so cheap. And for front end, I think I should use this rather than using Claude and Codex because we ran out of them really often. Yeah. So anti-gravity is an IDE, but it's also a model. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, okay, maybe anti-gravity uses Gemini. So that's the model, could be. Yeah, Gemini, Flash, and all of them. So that's good. So I clicked on this. No, just Okay, so we have got this. Is this app now published? Let's see. Bro, this thing is just stop, man. Just stop. Just stop. You're just not gonna work. We know that. But I have to publish this. So if I go back to uh, yeah, that's good. I'm gonna yeah, Cloud Code is really good, man. The more I use it. Yes, I'll do it. I'll just upload it and then see it. So this was already accepted before, so it's just a new version. So that's why it's going to be easier this time. It is just a new version of it. Because it says local should work. Let's see. Yeah, I use recent for my public one. Right now I'm using this is localhost, so that's why in localhost we're just not doing it. But usually you're right. Okay, this is excellent. Okay. Um, yeah, you're right. Yeah, author. Yeah, You use authentication also for Superbase, yeah? Or I was thinking about moving to Clerk just to completely get out of it, but tell me which one you use. It's still uploading, bruv. How long does that take? It's very successful. It's still uploading. I don't know. There's a problem with uploading, but it's very successful. Zamina is already a big company. So it's just a mobile app which is just gonna become the existing system. And it's only in Austria and Germany. It's in those countries. This is just what is this? At this section. Distribution. So let's see. AI, it automatically finds competitor with keywords on Meta. Okay. What else is Vibe selling? Also automatically creates a few SEO, GEO. Competitive SEO. Also for the what do you mean? I didn't get a rewatch. They have a system that analyzes applications. Ah, okay. You mean, but it should not take this long. Oh, it's uploading. So okay, uploaded. Show an app store connect. Yeah. What's my next step? Test flight. App Store Connect. Test flight. Test flight. Test flight. Oh, I have to go to test flight. Ah, yes, please. Yeah. If you look at this, they have already app encryption. So now I have to go test flight. I think I was not in test flight. That was a problem. Also, all its system. Okay, guys, do you guys know about Pulsia? Pulsia has something really cool. Not gonna lie. So we're just gonna check what it is. It's gonna be super interesting. But I want to find all the autonomous companies because there's some autonomous companies which are really interesting. Just, Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end this stream now. All good, because this is gonna be kept on building. Xcode, we've already figured out this issue. We have to go to test flight. I'm gonna join in another 1-2 hours back here. So I hope you guys join in, and then we take it further and build it further, because it's a lot of fun here being with you guys. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Check this last thing. I'll reshape the. Thanks a lot, Fasky. You are still here. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot, bro. Amazing. See you guys then. See you guys. Ciao, ciao. So.